Hello. To look at the camera when I speak. Welcome back. Yeah, it's gonna be a little quick fun one today. We're gonna just look at some SkiaSharp stuff and figure out, what we need to do. We, yeah, but I think before we talk about what we're gonna do, let's have a quick look at .NET Conf. .NET Conf is coming up real soon. Um, I'm hoping to get a nice stable 3.0 for .NET Conf, and not going to be part of the .NET Conf, but you know what I mean, it's in the news train, so figured I might as well get some I don't know, developer points. So yes, I'm going to try, and what's the date today? Today is the 11th. And it starts on the 12th. So it starts tomorrow. So basically, I'm probably going to do a SkiaSharp release tomorrow morning in time with .NET 9. So that's going to be fun. And I just thought, hey, I'll call that out. There's a bunch of cool stuff happening, a bunch of cool speakers. So you can head over to .NETconf.net. But also, if you are in the community, there is worldwide. Can I zoom in with my fingers? Yes, I can. Look how cute that is. All around the world, there is basically, I don't know how many. Do they have a number? They don't have numbers, but a big number of events. And I am going to be doing um, in Cape Town and in Johannesburg. I'm going to be having a little chat. So that's definitely fun. And of course, if you are in middle of Africa, there's a bunch there. Right, there's a bunch there in. Oops, take me directly to the event. I was hoping to zoom in and see where it is. Kutus, the Kenya. Kenya's always got some bunch of stuff. And Cameroon, I think someone didn't put their location using the zero. So that's the online. There's no location. Obviously, Europe is chock full of them. The US, we've got some in South America, and of course, we've got China. Japan has stacks. Obviously, Malaysia and Jakarta has Yogyakarta. So yeah, India is full of it. I know a lot of developers are in India. That I know that Microsoft developers, people that use Microsoft products, and I suppose Microsoft partners and things as well. So that's a lot of cool things happening there. So definitely check out this massive list and find a place that's near you, and subscribe to the day. Make sure you go there if it's in person or tuning online. But let's just say we pick, I don't know, Ho Chi Minh City. Uh, the Dev Cafe Cabin, Dev, Dev Cafe VN, Dev Cafe Vietnam. It's all there. It's online, so yeah, this one you can tune in, especially even if you are living in another country and let's say you're native Vietnamese, you don't want to spend all your time translating. The .NET Conf, you can support the community over there. Obviously, India has stacks of it. I don't know if all of them are online. I do know the ones in South Africa are in person, the two that I'll be speaking at. So um, Johannesburg and Cape Town. So definitely that's going to be loads of fun. I'm going to be talking about um, hybrid web view, as well as what's new in sort of .NET and C#. So definitely come in to tune into that. Obviously, tune into the .NET Conf day. I mean, this is full of, look at this agenda. It's like it's insane. And I believe, I don't know if there's actually pre-recorded stuff as well that goes out, or maybe it's just all live. But yeah, it's we've got a keynote, we've got some Aspire, we've got AI. We love our AI, new sort of language features, new in Blazor, Maui, what's in the runtime, performance, AI, and of course we're just going to continue to spew goodness in your direction with all exciting features. So definitely make sure you are there online, and if you near a day, a near event, local event, definitely pop in, and probably finding out to start registering soon, so definitely go check it out sooner than later. But yeah, .NET Conf is hours away. I was going to say days away, but it's hours now, right? We the 11th, and tomorrow the party starts. So yes, cool sponsors as well. Let's see, we've got Uno as well, and is Avalonia in it, and there we go, Avalonia. So the two Maui buddies. Well, they're cool. And let's see, do we have, there's Sync Fusion, Raygun is cool as well. Who else do I recognize? I don't know what this logo is. Dev Express, I've used that. Code Magazine, Clear Measure. Yeah, Patch Publishing as well. So definitely, hashtag .NET Conf the thing. So yes, I'm expecting everyone to be there around the world. No one's going to be home. We're all going to be having fun there. So yes, all right. And now let's do a little bit of SkiaSharp. So first things first, a couple of releases went out last week. I think I mentioned it, but I just thought I'd run through it again. We have our latest and greatest preview. This is the new one. This is a new Skia engine as well. And we did the updates on the stream. So nothing too crazy happened there, but definitely a new one. This is going to be the new previews going forward. I might even bump it again. We did have a PR on a previous stream to jump to the next version, so we'll see what happens. Maybe preview 2 will be 119. This is the latest stable version as of today, the latest 2.x branch, I suppose. This is the old one. This is a couple years old now, the Skia engine. So this is just the good old trusty, it works, it's there. This 116 preview is the new one. This one's going to go stable during .NET Conf. So this is the latest for now. This is the new latest that's going to go stable. Hopefully everything is going well there. I do know when I checked the downloads over the last 5 days, 10,000 in the old one. Obviously people always updating the latest stable. But it's going to be interesting to see what happens when 3.0 goes stable, because there are a couple of API changes. Not many people have downloaded, but that's because everyone in the last 5 days, basically over the weekend, people have been trying some new things. So there's definitely some cool stuff happening there. So yes, those are the 3 new releases. All right, so let's have I thought I'd just run through some of the new issues, if there are any. I see there's my one I created, but not really new issues. That probably means there are no bugs in SkiaSharp whatsoever. It's a perfectly stable and wonderful system. I thought we'll check through some of those. Bug-free, here's another tab that I have this sort of the same query, but sorted by recently updated, and I think we can have a check at that. I believe someone commented on that with the needs attention, so definitely we can check that out. So let's just hop in and pick, I don't know, the top 5. Just there we go. What we can see on screen. So this is my one. Oh yes, these are the security ones. I believe come on. Why isn't this PR merged in green? Let's go check that out. It might just need a rebase. I think it needs a rebase. So we'll put that to the top, and at the end we'll go rebase this. That's lots of red. Let's have a look at the. Yes, everything. There's definitely a compiler error happening here. I wonder why though. Is half of them built, or maybe it's not a compiler thing. Oh, let me just quickly check to make sure you can access that. Maybe there's just a choke. There it is. Okay. What we'll do is we'll retry it on the other browser. Should do that one. And then com/Xamarin public run for SkiaSharp. Let's just retry this one. Or it was, which one was that? We can have a look. Let's quickly retry this one, just because it's on the top of our PR and it's potential security issues that was called out on there. So let's rerun fail jobs. Yes. All right. Okay. So well, that's slowly rerunning. There we go. I'll move that to the top just so we keep an eye on it. This issue is basically going to be resolved, so we can ignore that for now. Blazor app crashes AOT mode with SkiaSharp half buzz in net 8. Everything works in net 7. I feel like I've seen this one. Does it work at 3R? What's wrong with there? I get the error. Interesting. Do they have a sample repo? They do. No, that is it. Okay. So we can try that out. But for this, I'll put the label on Blazor, and they said, what version of they're using 2.88? Well, actually, let's, while we're fiddling with triage, we need to not forget about the bug report. Issue template, bug report, get our versions. So we've got new things happening. 2.8, 2.87. Let's just see current 8.8. Okay, there we go. It's 9. There is no, I don't think. Yeah, there's no preview, no more preview. The current is with previous, and as to should deprecate it. Right, we only support one version back 4, and we are, let's just get our NuGet versions out here. Update that. So versions, just copy all of that. Oops. So we are 3.116. We have next previous 116.x preview 6, and this is current preview. Next preview 3.x preview 1 preview x 118. We just have to update the preview 1. Let's not get too technical. So we've got those two 1.6 next preview, and we're going to deprecate 3, 6, 5. There we go. You don't support any old previews. Any previews are deprecated. All right. Then the previous version that worked was five, and of course 7, 8, 9. This is deprecated, right? That's what we said. Deprecated. Current, previous, deprecated. Current, previous, previous. Okay. And I think that's all. Let's do a quick review on that. Hide the sidebar. There we go. All right. Can we? Okay. Let's have a look. Release, new version, new updates. There we go. Whatever. It's just for me anyway. Okay. I think that's correct. Wait a second. 6. Oops. Not correct. 6, 7, 8. Right. 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8. Let's do. Right, that's 7. And let's just do previews. 1, 2, 5. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Let's keep it all there for now. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. As soon as I honestly think we need to clean those up, but whatever. It's just a drop down. No need to get too technical. All right. Let's do a quick final check. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 6. This one we've got for 9, 8, 7. And of course with 8, 1, and 8, preview 1, 16, preview 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's quickly merge this. Squash and merge. I probably should stop the CI from building that particular template. Let's have a sip of coffee because we need that. All right. So his blazer is bag. This was here labels do we have here? Half buzz. SkiaSharp half buzz, which is interesting. We have multiple areas. Whereas WASM. Think that's what I want. According to this particular issue, it's not the blazer. It is half buzz on WASM. There we go. That's more correct. No status yet. Type breaking upgrading. Okay. All right. We got a thing. We can maybe have a look at this if there's time on the screen. This will be a fun one to look at. At the top. Okay, this is the Python one. If you remember from one of the previous things, the Python was having issues. Oh, I didn't add a needs info. Let's add that. Let's add a needs info. Repro. Okay. Because yeah, I can't. I'm no Python guru, so definitely I'll do that. We have to wait for feedback from that one. Regression symbols. Oh, this one. Let's see what the latest updates. I see. Okay. This is. I know what we're gonna do. I recall this one. I don't think they're gonna change this. Yeah, let me add a comment on here. Let's add that comment, right? So the question is more, should they be using global? Let's see where that particular line is. Yeah, like why global lazy, right? What did the deep bind? Because right now I any other library combination. So let's see what the thing. Hopefully these folks over there are more food up on it. That is unfortunate that that's happening, but it is what it is. I can't yet decide on that. This caching PR, okay. I'm I need to review this one more time. It's probably going to pop up in the PRs, but let's have a look and see if anything has changed since. Oh, there's stacks of numbers here. Uh, what was this? Branch. Both make it slower than the dictionary tuple. Wow. Draw shape ASCII. Uh, concurrent cache or dictionary cache, runtime cache. Here we go. So we've got 10, 9, 9, and 1. US. Wow, why is it so slow? Ah, well, that's the problem we're fixing. Your ASCII with shaper, ASCII with concurrent cache. The better one is dictionary cache. Yeah, look at the difference between 100 and draw shape ligatures, 191. Ligatures with shaper is a bit faster. Concurrent, dictionary cache, yeah. Wow, okay. Um, as long as you don't use the methods. Okay, build that. Okay, so let that discussion go. I think it's quite cool. Once we've finished the implementation, let's just see what the current usage is. I think it's using the lock right now. Probably. Yeah, try get add value. Yeah. Also, it's two separate operations, right? Yeah. You know, let me actually add that comment, right? I think I noticed when I was doing stuff, get or add, I think is what we want, right? Because right now, even though it's locking in one place, it still has to go through the dictionary, two lookups, try get the value, and then do this. I think, and this not be done in a single step. Let's just quickly. Right, because this takes a delegate. Here we go. Get rid of the language. Wish there's a way to sort of. Ooh, it's a horrible URL, but whatever. Right. So this is pretty cool that I use it in SkiaSharp in our Sharp. You can look at. Let's just do object native object, and let's put this comment over here. No, SK object, and then which one? This is a base. This is a base type SK native object because well, why not? Here we go. And then I believe to locked unknown owned objects. Is it concurrent execution? Now that I've seen that the thing is, I probably need to investigate if I can get better performance by not using, who was that one we just saw here, like this, right? This should be in the try, get, or add. Here I'm telling people, yeah, it's the handle dictionary, telling people how please use the correct APIs. And I'm not, but I'm using a concurrent bag and I'm using a dictionary of instances. Okay, I'm using, yeah, I've got a custom lock because it locks up or causes a triggering a lock. I think on like WinForms would trigger a paint, but if you rendering, creating objects during the paint, you're locking it, becomes a deadlock. I recall there's an issue over there. So we've got a custom lock mechanism. Well, not custom, you're just using operating system one, but yeah, okay. Let's just add a comment there. That's definitely very cool. Thank you for the wisdom. Let's see who's this wise fellow. ND 1012. All right, he's a secret smart guy. He doesn't want to let him be known. So let's wait for the feedback on that. So that's pretty cool. Chinese render bug, iOS 11, withdrawing the degree symbol. Skia and the UI label 17, 18. Just oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. That is truly interesting. Graphics, core text, UI label. Everyone's doing it, except, eesh, I mean, look at typeface. So it is loading the font, which we saw the picture, all the same font names. It's rendering the characters, but for some reason, you know what? Let's see what version he's using. Okay, I'm asking, can you try? You try latest preview 3.0, 3.118. And that is going to be annoying. But I believe I can even do something even futurer. Let's go look at this code, copy this, right? Where was that one? This is the exact string. We don't have typefaces. Just do fiddle.skia. Let's just see if Skia can do it. Now, probably, let's see name. Let's see if we can get a quick shortcut here to text. There you go, draw text. Let's pop it in there. Let's do it. Let's run it. Right, it's probably going to work because oh, yeah, that's right. Right, but it's drawing the degrees. Okay. Oh, that is annoying. I wonder why that particular symbol is not rendering. step through that. Let's just check Skia discuss. And then, of course, it's got to do bugs.skia.org, I think. And let's quickly check iOS 18. Let's see if anything pops up with iOS 18. Right, let's see if there's any known issues of anything. I wonder if we can just use shaping. Why is it? I'm not signed in. Okay, these are the closed ones. I wonder what will happen with Mac Catalyst. Let me add a couple of comments here. Okay, are you able to also try? Catalyst and see. Is this a device or a sim? Device. This is an device or simulator. What else do we need? Information to help us debug this. Try the latest version. Maybe there's a change. Try Mac, Catalyst, try Apple versus iOS. This was a device or a simulator. Can you try SkiaSharp.Buzz and see if shaping makes a difference? Wonder, yeah, yeah, maybe even have a look at rich text kit. Let me just pop links to this bad boy. No, SkiaSharp.Buzz. Here we go. Pop this in here. Might have to do a PR for this guy's amazing library. Make sure it's up to date on things. Maybe to look around because they do. Okay. All right. It's not great to have that. Yeah. So let's see if the update works. This is just sad in my heart, right? Yeah. I wonder if this is because it's the shaping, right? So in iOS 17, it's like, well, these are two separate symbols, but in 18, for some reason, it tries to merge the two. Who knows? Or it could be totally different. Okay, let me have a quick look there and see if everything's still going great. All right. Okay. Oof. There's iOS on there. Let's keep that there for now. And let's just do info. Let's just do needs info. Um, Doing straight raw text is okay. Um, let me also add what happens if you remove the Chinese character. So, what happens if you un- yeah, yeah, I think that's what we can do today. It's very sad when we have a bug, but it is the truth. The truth of the matter is, and get some syntax highlighting in here so that feel cool when I read it. So, hardcore syntax highlighting. All right, so Blazor, you can't build an app in release mode. All right. Blazor app crashes in AOT. Blazor standalone app can't. Okay, Blazor is seriously. Release mode. Okay, well, let's just do Blazor and in 8. So we'll definitely try these out. Uh, Enable SIMD failed. Okay. Maybe we have a look at that later on the stream. Let's see. Let's pop that there. This one we're still going to wait for the down. Let's just quickly check up on that one, see how the progress has happened. Please give us success. Oh, okay. That is not a happy place. The linkers are failing. WebP. Okay. Gonna need more work. I bet you there's a symbol missing because I'm probably not. I wonder if there's a something. Let's see what's happening. All of them. macOS, Tizen, they're also failing. Maybe it's a fine reference. Okay, so Linux and Android are fine. What Windows have notes? So look at Windows. Just to follow in with that. Just you're going for 24 minutes, but we only got that far. I want to retry it. Oh, it's just scrolling. Okay, so this is going to be sad because it needs a bit more work. I was hoping for a quick, easy update. But what version did the issue actually say we needed to update to? Exploit and fix available WebP. Okay. Yeah, this is the problem when you're going from updating versions. It's like, oh, it's just a quick update, but version will be on 132. Yeah. So there's probably an API change or it moved files. But okay, we'll have a look at that. Let's put that at the top. Through Blazor. This is not a feature. This is a feature, but 28 alignment flag. Find more details here. We can have a look at that as well. So NDK is there. What versions have we got? Maybe that's the right one. 27 LTS, 28 beta 1. Okay, but it doesn't matter because we don't use any defaults. We've got quite a lot of custom options. We could also have a look at that. I'm not sure what my Android status is, but let's pop it. But I think if we refresh this a bit, did we close anything? No, we didn't. We just commented. Here we go. Need independent repro. Let's see. That's just that one. AOT, Blazor. Oh, here's another WASM. Here's a WASM WASI. Blazor. Okay, I think we have a look at Blazor after is unpackaged. I want to check that out. That one. Okay, so there's quite a bunch of Blazor things happening. And I will please try preview what? Oh yes, yes, yeah. Try latest version. There we go. Yeah. So there was no GL view, although there was Android, iOS. Is it failing on iOS? Should be there for Android. Android always had iOS, didn't have it, but 3.0 did. Let's just have a look. GL view, GL view, GL view, yeah, handler. There we go. iOS. What have we got? There we go. So iOS should be working as well. Catalyst is the scary one. And I've lied about it. I'm using the metal view. So technically iOS, we can use that. Always had it since back in the old. But maybe I'm wrong. Let's go to iOS quickly and check out the 2x branch. Maybe I didn't. No, 2x should have it. Probably won't even have the warnings there. Yeah, so I'm not sure what that is. This is the unpackaged app. This crashes randomly. Wondering if this has got to do with the Net 9 stuff that had changed. Okay. Blazor. Okay, so all the issues, SkiaSharp and Line can't find that. Let's just see what the comment of that was. Actually, Blazor app crashes in AOT mode. Okay, we got. Gonna look at that one. Let's have a look at that. So that trying to use SkiaSharp on Net 7 to validate image size, an ancient bird of an issue. Still didn't work. How work for me? Deleted the schedule open rig manager, install from there, no depends install. Okay. Please create a repro. Sandy Gero. So does this guy have any other comments, or he just popping in at the last minutes? Let's have a look. Oh, Azure pipeline with Docker. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Let's just ask him to add something. Okay, so I can check it out. Thanks. Goodness, whatever that is, just get rid of that. It worked for me, right? Check the end. This was the Avalonia or something was using that. Yeah, the Avalonia uses these two. Skia uses that. Mm, yeah, we need a sample. People having success. I'm having success. This guy is not. So let's put it's repro. Yeah, someone needs to provide the repro. Right. The original issue was this. Storefront config, no difference. Yeah, so this one was particularly Avalonia. Did he mention Avalonia? Yeah. Okay. That's the issue. Okay. Let's get sharp. Comment on that. This one we need to have a look at. We'll look at it some other time. Oh, we've got to do this one. Guy doing some good work. See, he said he was going to recreate all the stuff. That's lots of work. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Scrub N. So we can review it, but I think I'll review this offline. It's quite a lot of um, changes happening. What is this? Healing root. Oh, that's good. Let's clean up those. Yeah, but this basically will make things have a nicer, more performant API. Let's close that. We'll look at that later. Now, in SkiaSharp.Extended, this is the other repo. Let's see. Oh, that's green. Okay. Let's just squash and merge. Another final updates after the SkiaSharp went stable. There we go. Back to stable versions. Very exciting, everyone. Delete. I think there are two other PRs, but those are my sort of playing around. Close those ones. Go. So Android release, animation speed issue, Lottie and Maui. Lottie view doesn't get enabled. Place certain frames. And I've got iOS as load images. Not working in pop-up. Okay. I think before we look at this, let's just focus on the SkiaSharp. Let's try resolve. Let's investigate, if you will, Blazor crashes. People like Blazor. People don't like crashes. So let's see. AppCS thing raise doesn't work well as expected. Let's have a look and see if there's a hidden image or something. CSS, Razor, CS. Canvas is wrong. Go drop the canvas should be equal to the div size. We need a repo, bro. CSS. This is the main issue is that it's going to be hard. There's a image over here. And there's a repro. Okay. So image, here we go. Actual, okay. All right. Someone is. Let's see. There you go. Okay. So let's. WASM console. That's different. The type JNO interpret module. September 6. Net 9. Preview 4. Okay. A whole bunch of pain and suffering for everyone. Let's close the windows. Let's close the Android. We're not going to look at that PR. So let's start off with the basic. Crashes in AOT mode with SkiaSharp half buzz. Onboard release mode. Okay. Net 8, Blazor WebAssembly. Let's do that first. So let's create a new repository. Did they attach a sample? I suppose they don't need to, but it would be nice if they did. Because there might be like other things they're doing. So let's see. That's the right Blazor we want. So let's just search. Oops, back. Blazor WebAssembly empty app. Blazor standalone app. Blazor standalone. Oops, what? My whole computer's gone. Blazor WebAssembly standalone app. Let's see. We're going to go into testing and it's the Blazor app 1. HTTPS, progress of web apps, sample pages. We don't want sample pages. Don't use top level statements in list in Aspire. We don't need that for now. Let's create that and let's just have a look and see. Let's use his exact project reference. And he says font bold in release mode. Alright, so let's make sure it builds in debug mode. Have a look at the project and see if it is exactly what we expect. See, there's WebAssembly. He didn't have that. Is it not supposed to be Razor? Is there another type of format? Razor standalone app. See, where is his? Can we get any clue here? WASM. .NET Native WASM. Okay, it must be Blazor, right? Because he's using the Blazor view. It has to be. I mean, I'll attach this if it works. And he was saying it blows up when EMCC. So right out the gate, there it is, happy world. Okay, so let's add this, right? According to the OP, right? Save that. In net 8, we got that. We run it again, and just to make sure that we are doing all the good stuff, we can do using then of course this with SK. Then Y one and okay. The telesenses gone crazy on us. This looks right. Where's it not native? I saw a few seconds over there. Let's see. There. Oh, Oops. Didn't explode horribly, did it? Canvas. Let's just make sure it works. Paint. Right, how did we forget? Let's just stop it. See if we can get some intelligence. Name. Everything's gone crazy. Okay, but it doesn't really matter. The canvas is rendering. So I was to switch this to release. HTTPS. Horrors should ensue. Sure that this was really an issue hitting everyone. You know, I've got more complaints, right? This is pretty recent. For .NET 8 as well. I'm like, oh, it's .NET 9. Still going. Have a quick look and see how we're supposed to do this. There we go, on paint surface. Now clearly typed in CPU, but for some reason I got, there we go. On paint surface, and in the code, whoosh, some hardcore text was happening here. Okay. Canvas, canvas are clear, let's make this red. Okay, and then make this 10 by 10. Make this 10 by 30. Just a new paint. There we go. Alright, clear the canvas, draw red, draw black text. Of course. Let's have a look. Well, it doesn't matter if it worked or not. The build ran. So let's save that. Like above there, where's the order? I'm very concerned that none of this works. But let's see. Okay, that's probably the reason why something exploded. But right, this is, we still release. Shrink this smaller and I'll attach a screenshot. There we go. Right. So, screenshot of that. Just to prove that it does working. Hashtag needs repro. The AOT mode. No, wait. This one. 3134. Let's see, build 3.1.3. Wonder if it's using the native one. Right, it's not going to need to any native because it already compiled the app. Let's just, there we go. Okay, and let's take up that. Yeah, work for me. Please attach a repro so I can check. There. We do this. We stop this. We file close solution, and let's quickly go into the GitHub testing laser app, and let's quickly delete the bin and obj and the user. Okay, we zip this puppy up just to press to zip, undo that, so that we don't have to do that, and do that, press that, and pop that, 10 kilobytes app. There it is. Okay, so let's reopen this and see what the other one was. Okay, thanks. And of course we're going to do, oh my goodness, repro. Right, we can't fix it. And make sure it is running release, yeah. Okay. That's that one, WASM. This is his sample. You can clone this in the, so the fact that Blade sample can't run, whatever, let's just have a look. WASM Skia app. And it's, oh, was that master WASM Skia app? Alright. So let's, gonna download a folder. Cannot write center content. What is that? That's scary. Oh, I bet you that's for this old school mode where everything was tiny. Nope, no idea. Doesn't matter. Where's the map? And let's quickly download the repo. Scary thing. Wonder if this is incorrect. Can't really use views, but let's see. Right, what was his original thing? Okay. Okay. Let's just have a quick look at what we got here. Oh my goodness. Too excited. Open. Open. Okay. Apps, SQLite data. Upload that so we don't accidentally do things. Oh, vulnerabilities. we don't have vulnerabilities. So we 8, 8, 10, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and oh, okay, fine, he's using that reload project. JSON browser, okay. So let's hit a bug and hopefully it doesn't destroy my operating system. Counter. Head user. I wonder why those are in there. Just put the text string. Maybe it's just to draw attention to it. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. JS interop. I think it looks like weather. There we go. The weather page. Okay. Now I bet you I know what the problem is. Let's just see. Mozilla Retina Canvas. I think that's keywords. Whoop, it exploded in the show alert. Okay, that one there is counter. And I refresh the page with counter. Oof. Enable all subdivs. Okay, okay, don't be distracted. Weather. There we go. Let's refresh on weather. Okay. All right. Let's investigate this. It's a div fit body canvas. Way. Paint. No pixel scaling is true. Displaying size is new info. Dot size. What is displaying size? Let's just draw that on the screen. Canvas. Text, and let's just do args.info.size. Actually, let's just do this. That's size, and let's do it. X is 10, Y is 50, and new escape font, new escape paint. Okay. Oh, that was crazy what I just saw there. The raw info is actual pixel, size is if there is scaling, so it will be different. Can I do that? Like the fact that there's a debugger happening. Maybe refresh the page. Does hot reload work in Blaze? It has to work, right? Can't imagine. Oh my goodness, I forgot to. 50, 100. There we go, a little tick box there. All right, let's see what our numbers are. Okay, the raw size is what? 450 by 225, right? Which is what we want. Oh, there it is. That's the canvas. Okay, that is the canvas size with hard numbers. So my question is, right, but that's also a tiny bit blurry, but right, Find the issue. Bit body, cool some stuff, sizes, XML. Okay. Canvas size should be equal to the div size. Why though? Let's have a look at his CSS. Maybe he says he's bit body. Okay. Not sure where canvas. I'm not sure why he thinks the canvas size should be that. Although the question is, where is that size coming from? If I was to go here, click the canvas. Let's see, right? So let's zoom in. 300, 150. Do I have a? Let's go check Malaysia. Mm, yeah. Why? JavaScript. I think. Is there anything in Canvas? Let's see. Canvas. Open the dev tools. Okay. Debugging. Refresh that. Let's go. Right. Whatever. I'm supposed to hit run, but whatever. Okay. Sent. Ish. Now things have gotten crazy. Let me zoom in. Let me have a quick guess. Go to weather page. Here we go. Let's put another. Let's cancel that. Let's just add a canvas. It's the classic ye old canvas. I want to know. What was really interesting to me is that code like this number, right? I was to zoom in. Ready? Stop. Sneeze coming. See what numbers the canvas does, right? Let's go to that mode. Let's go full screen. The weather. Okay. So someone is giving it a size. Let's have a look and see what we can find. Oh no. That is the default size of the canvas. Okay. So if I was to do, let's go to CSS, right? Go to canvas and let's just do, I don't know, what did I do? Width 100%, H percent. Save that. Does that just magically start working? There we go. No, where's the canvas? There, right? So if I was to stop this, go back to the weather, run that, right? Now without happening, I think I'll go back to there. I knew there was something, not the reason. Your style affects, yeah, there we go. Look at that. Default size of a canvas element is, it appears, width was 300 by 150. In order to get scaling to be correct, let's see that. Yep, that's nice and crispy too. Alright, you should set the canvas to fill the div. Yes, yes. There we go, look at that. I am no CSS guy, but I think this is correct. I mean, how hard can CSS be? There we go. E. Okay. Info. Okay. That's a nice where's your console? Think of this. So, net 9 preview 7 gives me the following error. Okay, so let's use the preview and it's 7. Download this. Download a zip. Let's cancel that. Head over to the downloads folder. Roll over to testing. It's the correct one. Tab, whoops, it's going back. Yes. Come on. There we go. Open that. Just open from the interwebs. Okay, net 9, of course. We're going to make sure we net 9. I think I'm on RC2 because stable hasn't come out yet, but whatever. Previous 7, let's update those nuggets. Previous 7 is long gone for us. Always update everything. Updates. Add RC2, RC2, and select all. Let's select that, that. Let's update that. Can we just like do that one, right? Because that's the one that's going to go stable in orbit. What was the issue actually? We're on load time. Version of Skia 2.8. Whoa. Okay. Using 2.82, I don't even know that works. .NET 8. It's quite an old one. That's like many moons ago. But no, he was using 3.4. So I think it's just, yeah. Okay. And RC2. Let's get those sweet bad boys. Dead late. Okay. Crazy cool. Okay. RC2, RC2, and preview 6. Okay. Nothing crazy happening here. Pages, raster. Wait a second. Okay, it's net 9. Important difference. Let's run that. So what's WASM, right? I think this is my sample. But if I look at my CSS, I can see it canvas container, canvas container, canvas. There we go, yeah. 100%. See what we got. Oh, my waiting resuming. See? That is very annoying. Let's interrupt this card. I wonder why. Somehow, let's quickly see here. Let's go. Oh, there it is. Let's just read that error message. Is it typo? Interesting. Value versus JS interrupt. I mean, I don't think that a thing? Don't tell me that. There it is. Okay. Um, like, was this originally? Which one do we use here? Fine, let's just do that. Let's just do it. Yeah. Maybe for running 8 it was part of the box, but let's just look at release notes. Microsoft.js interrupt. Check the docs. Interrupt. Net 9 changes. That. What's new? I think maybe they moved it out because let's just see. Uh, what's new in breaking changes blazer? There we go. I don't know. Breaking change blazer changes. Let's see if there's a net 9. There we go. Um, we don't like to see errors. Very saddening for us. Let me, I suppose one way to check, right, is each work. I don't feel like, oh my goodness. Yeah, it is dependencies. Yeah, okay. So let's go here. It's a bit better for IntelliSense in there. Oh, oh my goodness. What? 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 Well, I think there we go. What is going on? Is that just gone now? We need 9? Like we removed it, sorry, don't need to play. Whoa, can't be right. Where did my toys go? Oh, probably not that, but let's just go. Okay, that was. Let's see what we got. Removed. Oof, what is happening? Doc. What's in the docs? There you go. What is going on? What's going on? It's my cheese, bro. What was it in that edge? What was I using it for? Let's just have a look and see. Not make me particularly happy. Invoke JS, JS runtime, invoke async. What's the search? I see a search. There we go. Obsolete. See, they said obsolete, but it's gone now. Oh, okay, okay. Interesting as anything. Okay. Ooh, at least we can read the description here. And also, using obsolete and to be replaced with JS import export interrupt unmanaged. Um, maybe we can somehow that's the core JavaScript methods. We go here just to find that page and see the history. Like we removed. Here we go. Bet you this is definitely something that. Alright. I'm just going to have to give up and say that never happened. Was it obsoleting? See, if I go to this particular one, right? Search here, right? It's not marked as obsolete. It's just gone from net 9. Let me see if I can. Yeah. Okay. All I got to go on is. Okay. Is it old one? Am I just? Oh my goodness. Okay. So let's see. What's the time? Good. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to end here. This was a definite thing. I am somehow in the past. So maybe I'll do another stream later and we can do the update and let's see what happens. All right. So that was that was uh, that was new to the brain. I thought that was coming in at 9 if we added new things, but no, adding in at 8. So in the WASM. Okay. Anyway, well, that was new. I'll check out that and see what happens. Talk to people, find the correct way to do things. Have a look at the Uno code. I believe the Uno platform people are doing the right thing. So, oops, I should have caught up, but I'll fix that and see if I can get that in before for the stable release. So anyway, well, thanks for hanging out, and I've got to go do some Maui work. All right then, cheerio, folks. Oh, push that button.